Hi guys, we're still in two-step equations, but we will be working with some numbers that are negative and positive. So I'm going to just do a couple examples of those. Again, we have two things happening to our x. It's being divided by -2 and added by 4. We always get rid of our adding and subtracting first. So I am going to say the opposite of adding 4 is subtracting 4. Okay, so on this side, I end up with my x over -2, these drop out, equals, now -6 minus 4 more. This is where you're going to get caught up. If we start down at -6 and we subtract 4 more, we get -10. And then we say x is being divided by -2. The opposite of dividing by -2 is you're going to multiply by -2. You can't just drop the negative off. So you're going to multiply each side by -2. Here these drop out. And then you have to remember the rules for multiplying and dividing negative numbers. A negative times a negative is a positive. So that'll be a positive, and 10 times 2 is 20. Not your answer for that one. Another type of problem you'll see on this assignment, x is being multiplied by 3 and added by 7. The opposite of adding 7, we're going to get rid of the adding and subtracting first, is subtracting 7. So our 3x's here, these drop out. Then we have 4 minus 7. So we actually started out at 4 and we cross over 0 and we go into negative. So then we end up with a -3. And this is the part that will be new today. That'll be a little bit harder for you. Last step is to divide by 3, opposite of multiplying by 3. Divide each side by 3. And now we have a negative divided by a positive. When the signs are different, the answer is negative, and 3 divided by 3 then is 1.